Me to carry your basket and I'll follow you and you put eggs in? Okay. So look around the room and see if you see any eggies.
Yeah, I think the Easter Bunny had to hide them in here because it's too rainy outside.
Mm-hmm.
There's one.
That's cool. You found another one? That one's big. What does that one look like? A little duck? That one was hidden, huh? Can you reach it?
You need some help?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Another duck. Or chick.
Another one.
Whoa.
That's an Easter egg.
Silly Easter bunny put that one way up there, huh?
Another one.
You see any more?
A green one.
Yeah. There's another one way up there.
We're getting all the Easter eggs.
You are, buddy. You're getting a lot of Easter eggs.
You see another one.
Look all around.
Sure.
You found a car one?
Yes. It's just another Froggy.
Oh, that's cute.
I see another one.
Do I see another one?
I see another one.
Look all around.
I think you're able to see them better than I am.
Whoa, you found that one over there.
You see another one.
You see another one?
Yeah.
Where? Hey, Landon, can you do me a favor? Can you look at the camera and say Happy Easter